Thank you for calling the Britain Branch Office of Jehovah's Witnesses. Please select from the following options. For Service Department, press 1. For Legal Department, press 2.
Hello, Legal Department.
Oh, hello. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
How are you
How can we help?
How are you getting on with my documents, brother? About Beth Shirem and the Shroud of Turin.
Can I take your name, please?
Yeah, it's James Hashe, Hacche, and my YouTube channel is Jehovah Hashe, Hacche. Jehovah Hashe. There you'll see supernatural. You know, over the Birchwood Kingdom Mall last night, there was a massive drone, red and white, red and green flashing, and it just stood there, and it stood by the behind it was the Venus, the planet Venus, and I've matched up the numbers. I'm a numerologist, by the way.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, I'm Jehovah God, by the way. How's that?
Thank you for your call. Is there anything in particular?
Go and look at my YouTube channel. I've got you. So when I come to take over the Watchtower, I'm contacting all the newspapers now with the Shroud of Turin, 191 page document that matches up my face with the Shroud of, my son's face, Joshua, with the Shroud of Turin. Joshua means Jehovah's salvation. Jesus means Jehovah's salvation. Go and look up his YouTube channel on my YouTube channel and look how similar he is to what the view of Jesus is. I'm taking down Watchtower, mate. You're going to go down because you are Babylon the Great. You don't realise I'm Jehovah God and I can prove it 100,000 million %.
Okay, thank you for
So what are you going to do about those documents? Ignore them like the Israelites?
Okay.
Hard-headed. What were the Israelites? What did Jehovah say? What did Jehovah say about the Israelites? Hard-hearted, stiff-necked, and every bloody thing else. And that's what you are, because you are getting those documents because they're being signed for. You know who I am.
Okay.
So I will take you down in front of the whole world.
Bye-bye.